Disconnect the power cable from the car battery. You can contact us via binizeofficial@gmail.com or WhatsApp at 8,613,312,163,297. We will arrange a customer service manager to assist you personally. Additionally, we have prepared a small surprise for you. Install this frame onto the vehicle. This is a 20-pin multi-function wiring harness. This is the fan power cable. It needs to be connected to the corresponding connector on the 20-pin harness. These two are USB connection cables. This 10-pin connector is for the reverse camera, Wi-Fi, and Bluetooth signals. Now we are connecting the GPS signal antenna. This is the radio antenna. Plug the other end into the original vehicle's corresponding connector. This is the reverse camera included with our product. Connect the red connector and black connector of the camera. This is the 5-meter video transmission and signal control cable. Connect the yellow connector of the camera to this yellow connector. Twist the two red wires together, then connect them to the positive terminal of the reverse light. Note: must connect to the positive terminal of the reverse light. Do not connect it to the brake light by mistake. Connect this black wire to the negative terminal of the reverse light. Connect the yellow connector at the other end of this 5-meter video cable to the 10-pin reverse camera connector. This is the power cable. Connect the pink wire of this 5-meter video cable to the reversing camera power supply 12 volts wire on the 16-pin harness. First, plug in the CAN bus box wiring harness. This is the power supply for the CAN bus box. Connect aux-LIN and aux-RIN to LR out and FR out on the 20-pin connector. This is the microphone. Please note that this microphone must be connected. Otherwise, you will not be able to use the microphone function. Connect either sub-R or sub-L to LIN or out subwoof on the 20-pin harness. This is the power connector. Connect it to the original vehicle's corresponding connector. This is the subwoofer. Connect it to the original vehicle's corresponding connector. This is the amplifier. Connect it to the original vehicle's corresponding connector.